Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
Any kind of celebration, we required a beautiful venue. And I'm here at Nagaram, exactly 3 kilometers from ECIL. Let's have a look at this beautiful venue. This is Landmark. Events, weddings, and confluences. Let's have a look at this beautiful place. A state of art. So we have entered in this beautiful venue, Landmark. The area is beautiful and I can tell you that there is a huge space and a huge parking as well. Please have a look. And to know more details about Landmark, let us speak to the owner of Landmark. We have the owner of Landmark, Mr. Murlidhar Tella with us. So sir, can you please tell us more about this Landmark?
Okay, Landmark is a modern and sprawling convention center. In this area, if you see around a 10 kilometers radius, you don't find this kind of a comprehensive convention center. So we actually have around 4 acres of land and with a very sprawling landscaping and parking facilities and a comprehensive and very good convention center which has all the facilities for which can include all kinds of events like weddings, business meetings, celebrations, any kind of social gatherings. So even for corporates around this area, they can have their conferences, meetings or team meetings, etc.
Wow, that's amazing. So can you please tell us special attractions of this Landmark?
The special attractions are the facility itself, that is like a very huge hall that we have, and with all the AC facilities. So the celebrations hall is very huge, over 11,000 SFT, and also we have another 10,000 SFT of dining hall. So that can be used for even for celebrations, social gatherings like weddings, and also for business gatherings like exhibitions or annual general meetings kind of things. Apart from this, we also have a couple of board rooms, so that can be used for board meetings or smaller team meetings as such. And also we have a few guest rooms, around 8 guest rooms. In fact, I mean, people who are looking for guest rooms and if they want to stay around a couple of days prior the event or after the event, so they can actually stay here and they don't need to look for rooms outside. So the rooms are also very luxurious with all facilities, etc.
Oh wow, that's really great. And what are the precautions we are taking due to this COVID-19?
So this is the situation that we have faced. So in the recent times, so we all know people are very much aware of all the COVID-19 protocols now. So the same way we are also actually inviting our guests with all confidence COVID-19 protocols. So we are going to do fumigations and sterilization of the hall prior the event, and also we are going to provide all the sanitizers, hand wash at various locations in the premises.
Okay. And are we taking any kind of precautions for the staff as well?
Yeah, staff is again an important part. So staff, we are going to do some kind of health checks prior the event, the thermal checks and etc. So also we are going to provide them all the required masks or gloves. So they will be always sanitizing themselves. So they will be spreading around the premises. So they will be taking care of the premises and also themselves.
Oh wow, that's really amazing. And what are the special attractions to attract the people to come and organize events over here?
So the special attractions are the team here basically. So we provide all kind of guidance to our guests. So in terms of our partners like event partners, caterers, or also some of the other things that the guests would be looking like. Maybe they want to have some kind of event, some programs organized for their events. That is like maybe getting them a singer if they need, and getting them anchors or any other cultural dancers, or all those we can arrange for them. So we can help them with their logistics, with their if they are looking to stay here. So all these facilities we are providing.
Okay. And how far is this from exactly from ECIL?
This location is exactly around 3 kilometers from ECIL. So if you see around this locality, around 10 kilometers of radius, so you may be finding all big and huge convention centers around Gachibowli or Shamshabad area. So on the same levels, on the same lines, we wanted to have a convention center here. So we have been seeing people going around to convention centers in Kompally, in Shamshabad, in Gachibowli, so from this locality. And so that's why we wanted to have the same kind of facilities that all others are having. So all the comprehensive and latest. So this is how we have started here.
Oh wow, that's really amazing. So thank you so much, sir. Thank you for the information. So we were talking to the owner of Landmark, Mr. Muralidhar Tella with us. So as he have explained us about this landmark, that this is a very beautiful venue. Anyone can come down and organize their events over here. All type of weddings, events, conferences, all type of events. There is a one-stop place. You will get all the facilities with the huge area, with the staying rooms, with beautiful and large rooms, all type of facilities at one place, that is at Landmark. So let's have a look at the celebration hall from inside. Come on. This is our dining hall.